Right. I know some of you have been talking to me about the dash cam. Like, Hammer, we haven't seen it. Check it out. There it is. The front and the back. Hopefully it's coming through the screen. The top left is the front. Here you see the back. Guy coming behind me. Check that out. I'm gonna switch it up. That's behind me. Woo, woo. That baby sweet, man. Love it. That's in front of me. Front, back, back, front. Yes, sir. Let's record some of this, man. That's sweet. And my head is up, so you probably won't be able to see it. But what I try to do is take the card out and get you the footage. Now this picture's supposed to be 1080p. It looks really, really clear. I relocated my remote control to the unit, put it up here. It's out of the way.
To my surprise, I didn't even know that the thing had recorded. So I decided to mute the loud noise at high speeds.
Oh, my man, quick. Got quick out. Street Soldier Bride. What's going on? What's going on? Oh! Oh! He done switched up on the team. Welcome to Team Zook, bro. Switched up on the team. Welcome to Team Zook, bro. Switched up on the team. Welcome to Team Zook, bro.